Okay, this is the HVAC indoor air handler. Some people call it the heater, the furnace. I took the cover off so I could read the data plate and gather some information, see the overall condition. Of course, I didn't really have to do that because the serial number is over here, but it's still a good thing that happened. So anyway, I'm going to put that back, of course. So the furnace is looking pretty good. I mean, there's the sediment trap. Everything's going in. Pretty good. And we got some air. If daylight can get in, water can get in. Just saying. So daylight around the furnace flue, visible in the attic. Again, we got a carrying use manual. The cover goes back. Let's talk about the air conditioning for a minute. This is our evaporator coil, and there's our safety pan. And there's my flashlight. And right here, we have a shallow, even though it's insulated, and that's a good thing, it's a shallow P-trap. That's a shallow P-trap. And a lot of manufacturers don't like a shallow P-trap. What can happen is when the water's coming through here, the evaporation water, condensation, not condensate, but condensation, it comes in here, goes down there. It's like a roller coaster. The last car will follow it out. You're supposed to keep water in the bottom of the trap right there. You're supposed to keep water in the bottom of the trap because this goes to the sewer. And you don't want sewer gases making their way back up the pipe and being reintroduced to the system. And over here, we got a 4-ton condensing unit. And we got a 5-ton evaporator coil. So that gives you a larger SEER rating. But also makes the coils warmer. And I don't know if by going up a full ton, whether this unit matches this unit, matches that unit, matches your warranty. Do you have a warranty? You need to talk to the builder about that. Do I have a warranty? And he says yes. You say, well, where's the documentation? I need the documentation. And they should provide that. And this pipe should have a cap on it. So on the cooling side, well, we got a shallow P-trap, and we should have a cap on our vent pipe. Then on the air duct side, you're not supposed to have more than 1/2 inch sag in your air duct runs. Not supposed to be more than 1/2 inch sag. I did not make that rule up. I didn't wake up and just say, arbitrarily decide, you know what? I don't like the way these air ducts look. I think they should be straighter than that. I say you shouldn't have. No. The manufacturer says you shouldn't have more than 1/2 inch sag.